Hello there. It is never a pleasant sight to find water seeping through a concrete wall or floor in your home. This persistent trickle, known as active seepage, is more than just a nuisance. It is a sign of a problem that needs immediate attention before it leads to more significant damage. Unchecked water can compromise your home's foundation, encourage mold growth, and ruin finished spaces. Fortunately, for many common leaks found in basements or foundations, there is a reliable and fast-acting solution. Water plug cement is a special, fast-setting compound designed specifically to stop the flow of water through concrete and masonry, giving you the power to make a quick and effective repair. Understanding when to use this powerful product is the first step toward a successful fix. Water plug cement is your go-to solution for active leaks coming through small holes, medium-sized holes, cracks, or joints in concrete or masonry surfaces. Think of it as an emergency patch. However, it is crucial to recognize its limitations. This product is not intended for large, structural failures, like a wall that is bowing, bulging, or has widespread severe cracking. It is time to put down the tools and call a structural engineer for a professional assessment. Safety always comes first. Before you begin any repair, your first priority must be safety. When you work with cement products, you are dealing with fine powders that can be irritating to your skin, eyes, and respiratory system. Always wear heavy-duty waterproof gloves to protect your hands from the alkaline nature of the cement. Safety goggles or glasses are essential to shield your eyes from any accidental splashes or dust clouds. If you are working in a poorly ventilated area, or the mixing process creates a lot of dust, wearing a dust mask is also a very smart precaution to take. Building trust in your repair starts with understanding the material itself. Water plug cement works through a process of rapid hydration and expansion. When mixed with water, it creates a chemical reaction that causes it to set incredibly fast, often in just a few minutes. As it cures, it expands slightly to form a tight, waterproof seal against the surrounding concrete, effectively plugging the leak from the inside out. This unique property is what allows it to work even on wet, actively leaking surfaces where normal cement or mortar would simply wash away. A successful project always begins with having the right tools and materials laid out and ready to go. You do not want to be scrambling for a tool once you have mixed the cement, as you will only have a few minutes to work with it. Container of hydraulic water plug cement powder. Clean small bucket or tub for mixing. Sturdy putty knife. Small margin trowel. Wire brush. Small hammer. Chisel. Clean water. Sponge. Clean rags. Proper surface preparation is the secret to a strong, permanent bond. Any repair is only as good as the surface it is applied to. Use your wire brush to vigorously clean around the crack or hole. Remove loose debris. Remove dirt. Remove moss. Remove old paint. Remove crumbling concrete. If the crack is very narrow, carefully widen it with hammer and chisel. Create an inverted V, wider at the base than the surface. This undercutting creates a mechanical lock. That lock helps hold the patch and prevents water pressure from pushing it out. Time to mix the cement. Work quickly. Always read the manufacturer's instructions on the container. Mix small batches you can use within about 3 minutes. Add cement powder to your clean bucket. Then gradually add a small amount of clean water. Mix vigorously with your putty knife or trowel. Aim for a thick, stiff consistency, like dense putty or clay. Avoid making the mix too wet or runny. Common mistake, adding too much water. Soupy mix will be washed out by the active leak before it sets. Another pitfall, not preparing the surface adequately. Patching over loose dust or crumbling material will fail. Cement hardens rapidly. Do not mix more than you can apply in 3 minutes. Never add water to a batch that has started to harden in your bucket. With your putty-like mix ready, the application process is a race against the clock. Scoop up a ball of the mixed cement with your gloved hand or with your trowel. For a weeping crack, or for a small hole with steady seepage, press the material firmly into the opening. Push the cement in as deeply as you can, ensuring it fills the entire void from back to front. Force it into every nook and cranny, creating a dense, watertight plug. Continue to apply firm pressure with your trowel or the palm of your gloved hand for a minute or two as the cement begins to set. You will feel it harden and generate a little warmth. For an actively flowing leak, form a ball of the cement and press it directly and forcefully into the hole. Hold it there with sustained, unyielding pressure for several minutes until the flow of water stops completely and the plug has become solid. When dealing with a pesky leaking joint, such as where the floor meets the wall, use the tip of your trowel to press the cement firmly into the joint, working in small sections. For larger holes, build up the patch in layers. Press a first small portion into the back of the hole to slow the flow, then immediately add more to fill the rest, packing tightly until sealed. Have a wet sponge or rag ready to clean up the edges. Wipe away excess cement before it hardens for a neater, more professional finish. It is far easier to clean up wet cement than to try and scrape or grind it off later. If a small amount of water still seeps around the edges, mix a very small batch and apply it over the troublesome spot, using firm pressure to seal the entire perimeter. Once the cement is firm enough to stay on its own, carefully smooth the surface with your trowel to make it flush with the surrounding wall. For different leak types, adjust technique as needed. The goal is always the same: dense packing, steady pressure, and a complete seal. Once the water has stopped, your patch is in place. The final phase of curing begins. While water plug cement sets extremely fast, it continues to harden and gain strength over the next several hours and days. Most brands will be rock hard within an hour, but protect the repaired area from direct water flow and from physical impact for at least 24 hours. This lets the patch cure fully without interference. Avoid the temptation to poke or prod the repair. Let the chemical process complete for the strongest result. After a full day, inspect the repair closely. The area should be completely dry with no sign of seepage. Run your hand over the patch. It should feel solid and integrated with the surrounding wall. If everything looks good, leave it as is, or in finished areas, paint or apply a finishing coat to blend it in. Most water plug cements give a good surface for painting and for plastering after curing. If the area is still damp or a small leak has reappeared the next day, consider professional help. Recurring leaks can indicate bigger problems. Possible causes include hydrostatic pressure from groundwater, exterior drainage problems, or a serious structural issue with your foundation. A waterproofing contractor can investigate and recommend long-term solutions.